Some say the bull run is just beginning. Others warn of the imminent crash.
They don't know anything. I've done my research. Who needs another app? The signals are everywhere. No one agrees. The influencers say hold. The news says sell. I don't know who to trust. No. This can't be happening. Come on, Nest, Tony, why? This is useless. It's all gone.
Breaking news, XRP, XLM, and other cryptos are surging, bursting out of traditional bank money bags right onto the streets.
This surge is a bubble. Smart traders are suspicious, while others are buying in without caution. New era. No. This can't be happening. Come on, Nest, Tony, why? This is useless. It's all gone. Markets are moving. Time to get in. Today is going to be profitable. All right, BTC is pumping. Let's execute. This position is looking solid. Look, if you sold, that's on you. I'm still up. You just need better risk management. Anyway, smash that like button. You said it was guaranteed. What if there's another way? What if I don't have to guess? So much noise, no answers. This looks different, professional. 101 tutorials. This is it. Finally, something that makes sense.
I'm taking you to Donamics Capital.
Why? What's happening?
It's not safe here. Stay with me.
I'm scared.
We'll be safe soon.
I was so confused about crypto trading. But now, it's all clear. I know exactly what to do. Time to make my move. The market's volatile. I need an edge. Donamics Capital has the tools to help. This flight is my chance to level up. Let's go make some trades. Turbulence. I need to buckle up. Just turbulence. Stay calm. Focus. We'll be fine.
We're in the turbulence now. The markets are screaming. But the gauges don't lie. Signal received, strong buy, prepare to land. We have the window. I thought we were going to.
No. Donamics knew what they were doing.
The tools in the app takes over now. From turbulence to confidence. From fear to foundation.
You held on. That's the hardest part. The rest is just compounding.
The turbulence made me forget why I was flying in the first place. Now I remember. First trade since we landed. Feels different now. Safer.
Dad, this is expensive.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you for investing in crypto, Dad.
To the future.
A family that invests together enjoys life together. Donamics Capital gives us that opportunity.
And then he said, it's all about the Donamics.
The Donamics, that's hilarious.
I can't believe it. That's our word.
You don't have to hope anymore. You just have to own the app.
Every pilot flies through turbulence. The difference between the ones who land safely and the ones who don't is not luck. It is instrumentation. The market has liquidity pools, invisible ceilings and floors. Whales know where they are. Retail doesn't. You cannot navigate what you cannot measure. Donamics measures it for you.
Yes, the projections are solid. We're expanding.
Look at this growth.
How much do we need to start?
I don't know, but I know we can't keep doing nothing.
Then let's figure it out. An 82? Strong buy?
Yes. Let's do it.
Okay. Confirmed.
We did it.
We're really doing this.
We're both doing this. It's time. Point. Let's go.
OR3 is ready. Let's go.
I'm right here.
Congratulations. It's twins. I thought we'd never have one.
Okay, let's check the portfolio.
Oh my gosh. Is that real?
It's real. We did it.
For our future.
Love you.
Love you too.
Babe, look.
What do we do?
We hold at all cost.
Breaking news from Capitol Hill, the Bitcoin commodity classification hearing is underway. The ruling is in. Bitcoin is now officially classified as a commodity.
Crypto as a commodity is like having a little gold.
Maybe we can have a little altcoin someday.
What if it goes to zero? What if I lose everything? I just need to save something. Anything. What if it goes to zero? What if I lose everything? I just need to save something. Anything. What if there's another way? What if I don't have to guess? So much noise, no answers. This looks different, professional. 101 tutorials. This is it. Finally, something that makes sense. The gambler hopes, trader looking at the monitor panicky. The investor owns the crypto intelligence app. Donamics Capital doesn't promise you a Lamborghini. It promises you something rarer, clarity. No, the market's tanking. My models predicted this by now. Down another 10 grand, this is a disaster. Hold steady, the data says rebound. I'm getting out. And there's the profit.
Studies show 87% of crypto participants are net losers over time. For every dollar put in, the average retail trader walks away with 43 cents. Not because crypto doesn't work, because they entered without a signal. They bought on hope. They sold on fear. The crash does not create the loss. The panic does. Hope is not a strategy. The entry score is.
Look at that surge. We're hitting a new all-time high.
I know, it's incredible. The momentum is unreal.
This is just the beginning. The patterns are aligning. We move tonight. Retail is blind. They won't see it coming. By dawn, we control the flow. Their loss is our gain. Execute. You're holding a bag of altcoins. XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Cardano. The chart is green, the euphoria is real, and the what-if demon is whispering, just wait a little longer.
Just a little longer.
Just a little longer. Crypto is dangerous! Ow, we must regulate this.
The retail panic is our entry. Accumulate quietly. Set the buys. I'll confirm.
Add another million to the position.
Crypto markets are crashing. Insiders are pointing to manipulation by the powerful. The timing is perfect. Buy the dip, then we dump. Whales are dumping. Time to short the market. This volatility is lucrative. Keep the plan quiet. It'll come back. It'll come back. I've been looking into XRP.
Oh, that stuff? It's too risky. I tried it, lost everything. Anyway, how's school going?
Greed does not announce itself. It sits at your dinner table. It stands behind a podium. It manages your fund. It whispers in your ear, well, this Mar knew, even your sister knew, and none of them told you.
Greed does not announce itself. It sits at your dinner table. It stands behind a podium. It manages your fund. It whispers in your ear at the exact moment you were about to make the right decision. The politician knew. The fund manager knew. The rich man knew. Even your sister knew. And none of them told you. Because in this market, information is the asset. The one who has it wins. The one who doesn't funds everyone else's future. You were never meant to lose. You were just never given the edge. Until now.
The eastern flank is ready, my king. Captain Marcus awaits your command.
And if the message is intercepted?
My king, what if the message could verify itself? We won, my king. Every captain received the order. Every captain confirmed it. Now imagine their messengers will do this. Not just armies, but trade, wealth, trust.
For centuries, this problem had no solution. No one trusted a group of messengers. But when every general holds the same coin, the message cannot lie. When messengers are trusted, the truth is unbreakable. They called this unbreakable, trusted message Bitcoin.
Crypto was created to solve real-world problems.
Open the doors! My savings are in there!
Western nations freeze $300 billion in Russian reserves.
It's frozen. No warning at all.
The money's gone? All of it? This is a nightmare!
Our payroll is due tomorrow. What do we do now?
Call the investors now! This can't be happening!
I've come for my family's money. You can't keep it locked away. Open the account now. Oui.
No banks, no problem. Just my phone.
My digital wallet works everywhere.
Crypto is how we move forward. Nigeria is leading the world.
No cash. No access to accounts left behind. A woman holds up her phone, a crypto wallet. The only asset that crossed the border with her.
The volatility is spiking. Donamics is catching every tick. Whoa, a flash crash. Executing the hedge now. The app is alive. I'm going in. Some have built riches from crypto, penthouse views, private flights, generational wealth passed down. Some hope crypto gives them a better life, a home, a future, a fighting chance. Which one are you?
Some have built riches from crypto, penthouse views, private flights, generational wealth passed down. Some hope crypto gives them a better life, a home, a future, a fighting chance. Some are not sure if crypto is right for them. Still watching, still waiting, still on the fence. Some know that crypto is the only way they can survive. No bank account, no safety net. Just a phone and a Bitcoin wallet crossing a border in the dark. And some will one day sit down, look at where the market went and wish they had just started. Which one are you? The answer is waiting at Donamics-Capital.com.
Let's get started. The Donamics Capital Crypto Trading Intelligence app gives you everything you need. The entry score to know exactly when to enter a trade, daily Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum briefings begin every morning at 7 a.m. Central, and the coin comparison module to track capital rotation between tiers in real time. It is completely free to start. Check your entry score today. Visit Donamics-Capital.com. Link in the description below. Like and subscribe for daily crypto briefings. Your edge starts at Donamic-Capital.com. See you in the next one.
The market does not wait. The whale does not wait. The signal does not wait. Right now, somewhere in the market, smart money is moving. And retail is watching. That ends today. A growing community of traders already made the switch. They stopped guessing. They started knowing. Your free entry score is live right now. Not tomorrow. Not after the next crash. Right now. Download the app at app.donamic-capital.com. Stop being the one who watches. Start being the one who moves.